Here we are again. This is kind of cute. Okay, so today, if you couldn't tell, is day 6 of the 12 days of beauty. And today's video, I had to come on here with the wig on because wigs and hair extensions this year was my thing. The last couple videos I actually talk about hair color, so hair color, wigs and extensions were all my things this year because I was trying to do as little with my hair as possible. This was probably the year I did very little with my hair, except for the times that I was going somewhere. So this wig, I have all of the information for each wig in this video and the extensions in this video. And the extensions videos was actually one of my more popular videos this year. Hair extensions are in for my curly gals. If you do not want to wear your personal hair, but you want to wear your hair curly, you don't want to wear a wig, then curly hair extensions are your thing. I talk about in that video how my brides are gravitating towards curly hair, and one of my brides wanted me to put her curly hair extensions in, and I was like, yes. If you didn't know, I'm a professional hair and makeup artist as well, and so I do a lot of weddings, and I want to target my audience to be the curly gals because I have curly hair and I just know how it is. I'm feeling this wig. So this video was all about wigs and clip-ins. I'm going to show you a few more wigs that I was loving. This blonde one, I don't know if you remember when I cut this blonde one, but this bob is still giving what it needs to give. This copper one, I'm waiting for when I want to bring this one out because this one is special occasion. The copper one, the black one I have on my head, gray one, and then I have a curlier one that's kind of similar to my curly hair texture that I don't know where it's at, but I'll insert a video here that you can check out of me styling it. And I think that going forward, I have a few vacations coming up, I'm also going to be wearing wigs, either wigs or braids. I haven't decided yet, but if I'm going to be wearing a wig, I want my wig to be slayed. I need to find a glueless wig, so if you know somewhere that has a glueless wig, leave a comment down below and let me know what website I need to be checking out to get this glueless wig because your girl needs the glueless. This video was all about wigs, curly hair extensions, 6th day of the 12 days of beauty. Be sure to tune in tomorrow for the 7th day. We're getting close. I can't believe how close we're getting, and I'll see you tomorrow. Toodles.